In this video, we will know that how to fix all Wi-Fi related problem on your Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7. So guys, how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is right click on taskbar, and after that guys click here task manager option and click here run new task option and type here services.msc. Check this checkbox and click here OK button. After that guys, find here a service WLAN, scroll down it and find here this service. Okay, WLAN auto config. Right click on it and click here properties. After that guys, select here automatic if there are manual. Okay, select here automatic and after that click here apply and then click here OK button. Select this service and click here restart. Okay, this service should be running here. Make sure your service should be running here. Now close this window. Now guys, we are going for next method. Click here start button and after that guys click here search and type here device manager and click here this device manager option. After that guys, find here your wireless adapter, network adapter, click on it, expand it and find here your wireless adapter and right click on it. This is wireless adapter and click here properties. Click here guys driver tab and click here update driver. Now please click on this option automatic and click here close. Okay, now again click here update driver, click here browse my computer for driver, click here this option and click here this is module number. Next select this and click next. Your driver will update it here automatically. Okay, now close this window and now close this. Okay, now guys, we are going for next method. Right click again and click here uninstall device. Click here uninstall. So guys, you can see here wireless adapter driver will get uninstalled here. Okay, you can see here there are Bluetooth only, no Wi-Fi. Now how to come back it? Click here action and click here scan for hardware changes. Okay, and it will reinstall automatically this driver. You can see here. If this option is not found here, scan for hardware changes, click on it, this icon. Okay, your network adapter will automatically installed. Close this window. Now guys, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Click here start button and click here settings. Now guys, click here network and internet setting. Okay, and after that guys, there are some options. If this checkbox is off, on it and click here VPN and make sure there are no any VPN added. Okay, no VPN here. If there are any VPN, please disabled and remove. Click here proxy and make sure there are no any proxy added here under this list. There are no any proxy, click here back button. And after that guys, click here airplane mode. If this airplane mode is on, off it. Close this window. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Click here start button and click here settings. Now guys, click here time and language and select here date and time and select your time zone and set date and time properly here according your current date and time and your city. Okay, close this window. Now we are going for next method. If your problem is not fixed, click here start button and click here settings option. After that guys, click here privacy and security and click here Windows security and click here virus and threat protection. Now guys, click here quick scan and scan your system. Okay, wait for until this process complete. Okay, now after scan your PC, we are going for next method. Now close this window, click here start button and click here settings option. And after that guys, click here Windows update. So guys, update your Windows update properly. Okay, click here check for updates and update your Windows update. If there are any missing updates, please installed. Should be here up to date. Okay. So guys, click here system after that and click here troubleshoot option. And after that guys, click here other troubleshooter. Find here network and internet and click here run. So guys, you can see here help dialog will open here. Now restart your network adapter. Click here restart adapter. Your network adapter will restart here. So wait until this process complete. After that guys, click again run and click here restart your modem router and switch. If there are any modem, please disconnect from the cable and again connect and restart your modem. If your ethernet cable is connected to a modem router switch, restart that device if you can, otherwise you might be need to connect your IT. Okay, now close this window. Now guys, check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, we are going for next method. So guys, after that, launch any browser on your PC. Okay, and type here your laptop name like Dell, HP. Okay, click on it, Dell laptop driver. Type here. Click here this first link. Now you can see here it will automatically detect your PC model number here. Okay, if not detect here your PC model number here, type manually here. Okay, your PC model number. Enter a Dell service tag if you have service tag, enter. If your product ID is here, type here. Okay, so we find model number. Right click on this start button and click here run and type here MS Info 32. Click here OK. So guys, you can see here your model number is displayed here under system and information. You guys same as it is. Okay, type here your model number here. You can see here automatically detect here. Click on it. You can see here all your laptop driver is displayed here under this page. Now scroll down and find here your Wi-Fi driver here under this driver list. So guys, you can see here your wireless and Wi-Fi driver is displayed here. Check this checkbox and click here download select. This is your download button. If there are no displayed any download button. Okay, download, click on it. So guys, you can see here it will download automatically under download folder. Right click on it and click here administrator and click here continue and install this Wi-Fi driver on your PC. Okay, after install this driver, please restart your PC or laptop. Okay, and check your problem is fixed or not. I hope guys your Wi-Fi problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.